Founded in 1984 on the strength of our innovative Orange technique, the world's first portable soldering iron. From the beginning, portability was the cornerstone of our philosophy, and gas catalytic technology our niche, which we have developed and perfected over the last 36 years. Today, over 95% of the components used in the production of our products are made in-house, and this enables us to have added control over the entire manufacturing process. Our brass is sourced from German mills, for example Wieland and Work AG, which we use for its high quality, high tolerance and superior machinability, and we can run it on 24/7. For the manufacture of our metal parts, we have 12 CNC machines, including 8-star machines and 3 Swiss Decos and 1 SW7. We have the capacity to manufacture extremely accurate and complex parts in brass, aluminium, stainless steel and copper. For example, we've developed the process whereby we can drill extremely fine holes on our machines, down to 50 microns, which is roughly the size of a hair in your head. Our tool room is a versatile precision tool making area with standard milling, turning, grinding and spark erosion equipment, plus CNC milling and turning capabilities. We manufacture, service and maintain our injection mold tools, and we make most of our own production equipment and assembly aids. This gives us the ability to react quickly to product improvement. We carry out model making, prototyping and testing on all new products, and we also develop pre-production component parts that are used in our entire product range. Owes & Butler have a separate research and development team generating new products from concept all the way through to production handover. Utilising the latest in 3D printing, Creo 3 Pro Engineer, CAD software together with a dedicated 3D CAD CAM tool room facilities.